Welcome to our show, Future Trends. Today, the discovery of Pine's Daemon. Have you ever heard of a daemon in metal? Well, after 67 years, science has finally discovered it. In 1956, U.S. physicist David Pines predicted a very special phenomenon in the field of metal physics, Pine's Daemon. So, what exactly is this daemon? When electrons of a metal combine into a neutral, massless ensemble, it is formed. This phenomenon has now been detected for the first time in the metal compound strontium ruthenate. But what are plasmons? When energy is added to metals, virtual particles are created on their surface through the collective excitation of electrons. However, Pine's Daemon is a very special type of plasmon. If a metal has more than one electron conduction band, the electrons can interact in such a way that a neutral, massless plasmon is formed, our sought-after daemon. This daemon arises when electrons of different bands don't oscillate in the same phase. It's essentially a collective state of neutral pseudo-particles. One of the most fascinating properties? Pine's Daemon can form at room temperature and does not interact with light. By a stroke of luck, the team stumbled upon Pine's Daemon in strontium ruthenate. They were experimenting with this metal because it has certain characteristics similar to a high-temperature superconductor. Using a technique called EELS, in which the sample is bombarded with electrons, they could draw conclusions about the plasmons in the material. And the results? They detected a plasmon-like reaction in strontium ruthenate, which provided clues about Pine's Daemon. Additional calculations showed that this pseudo-particle arises exactly as Pines described it. The mystery solved after 67 years. Our scientists caught Pine's Daemon red-handed and confirmed a prediction nearly 7 decades old. What does this mean for the future? This could explain the behavior of many metals and even some forms of superconductivity. But there's still much to research. Most discoveries aren't planned. You just try something new and see what you find. Pine's Daemon, a mysterious phenomenon of physics, has finally been discovered. Stay tuned for more fascinating discoveries from the world of science. What do you think about that? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more updates and exciting topics.